Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a new repository in your account on GitHub in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright, so in the first step, navigate to github.com and log into your account. What you want to do next, guys, is click into your profile icon in the top left and navigate to Home, or alternately to Repositories. And after that, you will be redirected to that list here to the left with My Repositories, and you can navigate to the given one. Now, if you'd like to create a new one, simply click into that New Repository button in the top right. And here start setting up and creating your repository. So give it a name here, example repository, for example. And you will see the name availability below. So I can choose this name. You may describe it in that field below. You have up to 350 characters for that. And in the final step, guys, configure your new repository by selecting a visibility like private or public. And then you can add, for example, a README or a license from the drop-down menu. I will go with, I don't know, let me go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial, or you can go with this one here. So it pretty much depends on on the type of your project you would like to create in your repository. So I will select no license for the sake of this tutorial. Click into create here, wait for a brief moment, and after that your repository will be created with the projects here at the top, the coding, the actions, the settings, and you can navigate between your repositories by using the method I showed you in the beginning of this video. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.